In the land of Oyumpan, Olara Awo, son of Ìwòrì Méjì, was renowned for his ability to resolve people's problems through ceremonies dedicated to Ozain's secret, Ogodo. The community flourished under his guidance. One day, a peculiar woman named Aya Obini Shekereluba Idi arrived. She was short and curvaceous, endowed by Shango with the power to dominate men. She entered Oyumpan, singing Mofori Bale, Ogodo, Sheke Sheke Unload, Olara Awo. Olara Awo was captivated by her presence. Forgetting his responsibilities, he abandoned the Ogodo and followed her. Over time, the land fell into decline, its people suffering and fleeing to other places. Seeing this, Olafin ordered Shango to investigate the cause of Oyumpan's misfortune. Shango brought Ozain along. When they arrived, they found Olara Awo at the river, following Aya Obini Shekereluba Idi. Seeing Shango and Ozain, Olara Awo knelt and greeted them with Mofori Bale. Recognizing his state, they performed a cleansing ritual, Oparaldo, using a hen, Adi, while the Shango sang, Saraye Koyole Adiye Oparaldo Iku Egen Araye Olona. The ritual restored Olara Awo's clarity and focus. Shango and Ozain then instructed him to return to the Ogodo and offer 2 roosters, Akuko Meji, to Shango and Ozain. At that moment, Aya Obini Shekereluba Idi returned, but upon hearing the chants, she became disoriented, fell into a shupa, a trance or fit, and ran into the forest. There, Obanla, a high-ranking Orisha, took her in, and she was never seen again in Oyumpan. With Olara Awo's return to the Ogodo, peace, prosperity, and happiness were restored to the land of Ìwòrì Méjì. Final note, in this path, it is always essential to offer 2 white roosters, Akuko Meji, to Shango, Ozain, and the ancestral spirits, Egen, to maintain dominion over the home and godchildren. The omen, Osorbo, warns of living with a short, curvy woman, symbolizing unrest and chaos.